Thanks everybody for having us. My name's Valerie Little. I work for Agriculture Victoria's First Peoples Agriculture Service, and we're excited to be here today to provide this learning opportunity.
The Framlingham Aboriginal Trust has asked us to be here to help them with their weed management and weed identification issues, and to help them better manage their land through the prevention of spread of weeds. It's got small seed pods that have got lots of little hooks on Velcro on them.
Caring for country is important for me because deep down inside with our Aboriginal culture, it has always been a thing where we care for country. It's a respectful thing as well, and it's also a great job to have because you get to go out on country, you get to see all the plant life, all the animals, and you get to look at the waterways as well. So it's really great to be a part of this job. So weed control is a big part of our job as we are trying to contain all the weeds that we can so we can get our land back into the natural ways how it was.
We went into the forest and had a look around at some of the weeds that were down on the river flats to get a good idea of what was there, and that allowed us then to discuss their management, their identification at different growth stages so that they can then better identify and manage them in the future.
Going up to the forest and talking about some of the weeds with Michael was pretty helpful. It helped understand a bit more about them.
So the training was really good. I actually learnt some of the weeds that I didn't know that we had here, and it's been a really great privilege to actually learn and to know how to get rid of these weeds as well and how to keep controlling them as well. So it's been really great.
If we do this process and build on that knowledge and help the community develop those strategies and that knowledge, we're going to achieve a much stronger and better environment, which has benefit for all of us.